Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. It's hot, it's humid. We just got rain last night, but I'm gonna break out the ABI TR3 tractor rake for the very first time, and let's see if we can turn this into this. Very first time, let's give it a try. All right, so let's start a practice run right here. This is a washout right here from a couple days ago. All I did was threw some rock in it right now. Obviously you want to get down to the bottom of the cut. I'll get you a picture of this from a couple days ago. So let's start here, just nice and easy, see if I can get rid of this cut and get this fairly leveled. Keep in mind I haven't even lowered this thing yet. So, and part of their thing at ABI is they say this is a simple tool that literally anyone can use it. So let's try it out. Scarifiers barely even touch. Run the scarifiers all the way up. All right, now just one step back home. Let's see, I lower it up, back over here. I'm on the crank, the back's not set it out. All right, let's try and do a final grade, kind of a finish grade. This stuff is really wet, but see how it works with just the comb in the back. All right, so for this final grading, the way I've got it adjusted is if I lower my 3-point to where just the rear comb touches, then that's the only thing that's in contact grading. If I lower it just a smidge more, then the front rock graders are also touching, so then you have two items touching, but the scarifiers are not touching.
So I'll try different methods here as we go, but so you could either have the rear comb just touching, or if you lower it a smidge more, then you'll also have the front, I don't know what they call them, but they collect rock and they level at the same time as well, so you'd actually have two surfaces leveling. So let's see how this goes.
Right, not bad at all. I wish I had this the other day ready to go. We got some serious washouts, and all I did was add stone to them. I had the box plate on, but yeah, it doesn't have scarifiers, so you could see this was all real time, or at least most of it. I mean, this was maybe 20 minutes, I'm gonna say, and I'm still learning it just a smidge. You can push backwards, but you got to be really careful. You only want to have that comb touching the ground if you're pushing backwards, just very lightly, so it ain't gouging into the ground in reverse. But otherwise, I'm gonna go fix some more gravel. All right, so here's a look after we've been compacting it with the truck and the car. You could see that gully is gone, disappeared, because if we didn't have it cut all the way to the bottom, you'd see a little divot in there. So it worked very well, very well.